just sitting at the lake, listening to the birds, listening to the sounds of nature. And you come to a place like this and you feel at peace almost immediately, because the sound of nature is so healing, is so rejuvenating. It makes you feel more at peace with yourself and everything that surrounds you. It helps you to align to your truth, to the truth of who you really are. It helps you to be more in the present moment, which is the only place where the true life exists. I often come here to just escape the noise of the world when my mind gets so busy, so overactive, like it is in the last few days, last few months actually. And just I keep going through these emotions, ups and downs, highs and lows. 1 minute I'm full of ideas, I'm so happy and inspired. Next minute I can feel quite low and go to these low vibe frequencies which are not really serving me well, but just accepting as it is really these days, trying not to interfere so much with this flow, because I believe life is unfolding as it's supposed to, and this season is definitely teaching me something, is teaching everybody something really profound, something which we might realize later was a great lesson. So just basically going with the moment, going with the flow, accepting the moment, and just trying to be more and more at peace with it, whatever's happening. But coming to this place, hearing the sounds of nature, the birds, the lakes, the wind, everything is just magical. It's just magical.